BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another dev build for this week rolling out to the Dev Channel insiders. And last week there was no Dev Channel build because of the Thanksgiving holidays in the United States. And this latest preview build now rolling out to the Windows 11 insiders is build 25252, which rolled out on the 28th of November. Now it's important to note that builds that Microsoft does release to the Dev Channel, according to Microsoft, should not be seen as matched to any specific release of Windows, and the features included in the Dev Channel builds may change over time. They could be removed or replaced in up-and-coming insider builds, or may never be released beyond Windows insiders to general customers, so just take note of that. Now, just going through one or two screenshots taken from the release notes just to highlight two new features that have rolled out this week in build 25252. Now, the first is the VPN status indicator, the little shield on your network status in the system tray. And this was actually a hidden feature that rolled out in build 25247 a week or two ago, and that's when you are connected using a VPN. There's a small shield overlay on the network icon to indicate that you are connected using a VPN. Now, Microsoft says in their release notes that they've added a glanceable VPN status into the system tray when connected to a recognizable VPN profile. And the VPN icon, as you can see, is a small shield, as I did post on 2 weeks ago, and will be overlaid in your system accent color. So it uses your system accent color over the active network connection, as mentioned. Now, this was first discovered by Windows insiders, as mentioned in Dev Channel build 25247, where it was a hidden feature. And there's also one thing to take note of with this: it only works using VPNs that are configured through the built-in Windows 11 client. So it doesn't work with Wi-Fi or applications of commercial VPN services. So just something else to just be aware of regarding that. And then the next kind of new features, a new feature that Microsoft is testing out in build 25252 for this week. Once again, search on the taskbar is getting a bit of attention again from Microsoft. Now, Microsoft mentions in this build they are continuing to try out different treatments, as they are calling this, for how search looks on the taskbar. And if you want to change the way the search looks, if you are in the Dev Channel, you have the ability to change this treatment, as they are calling it, of the search on taskbar in settings, under settings, personalization, taskbar items. And just to take a bit of a more in-depth look here and a closer look at these so-called treatments, as Microsoft is calling them. This search button and icon with the little magnifying glass and the search, this is already available in the stable version of Windows 11 version 22H2, as I have posted on. And this looks very similar to the Windows 10 search box. The only thing I can see that is really different at this stage is we have search, and then we have slightly fluent design on the corners where it's rounded, and in Windows 10 that is a square corner. So as mentioned, these are just, as Microsoft is saying, treatments that they are testing out in this latest Dev Channel build 25252. And that's more or less what is rolling out this week for the Dev Channel. That is, and is so-called new features and the key highlights. The rest is just normal for each week in the Dev Channel. A whole lot of fixes, and then a whole lot of known issues, which if you are in the Dev Channel, I'll leave a link in the description to the release notes and the change log for this latest build 25252. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.